In this video, we're going to use the Smart Assist feature in KV Core BT Pro to announce a new listing. So if we go to our property listings page and we sort by listing date, we can see one of our newest listings right here, and I'm going to copy the MLS ID over on the right side. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Smart CRM, go to All Contacts, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for everybody who's been interested in the past in a property in that area. So I'm scrolling all the way down to the bottom and I'm going to property interest in my filters. And I'm going to go ahead and type in Gulfport right here. And then I'm going to click view results. So very cool. We have 84 pages. We have 838 people in this particular database who have looked at or seen properties in this area or this neighborhood in the system. So what I can do now is I can click email, choose all my contacts, then click email, and then I can use the Smart Assist, click use Smart Assist up at the top right, click promote a listing. You'll see it'll start to write this email out, and then right up top, I'm going to pop in the MLS ID. It'll find the property for me. And you'll see it's pretty cool. It dynamically inserts the number of bedrooms, the number of baths, right? How many square feet it has. It boasts, and then it has the listing description, and it kind of dynamically adds all the properties of the listing into this email. So this is a really cool way to kind of use the filtering in the system and the Smart Assistant to quickly announce a new listing to the people who were already in your database looking in that area. Again, the steps were, let's just recap this. We're going to go find our new listing and get the MLS ID from the listings page, right? So over here, we go to the listings page, we go to my listings, and then you go get the ID. Then you come right back here to the Smart CRM, you scroll all the way down to property interest, you pop in the location of the area where the listing is, you click view results, and those are the people who are most likely going to be interested in that listing. You check off who you want to send to, you click email, you could even do a text if you want, use the Smart Assistant, promote a listing, and then make sure you pop that MLS ID in there, and it'll get it sent out for you. Easy, easy peasy here. If you're not already subscribed to the YouTube channel for Inside Real Estate, it's at insiderealestate.com/YouTube. If you're not engaging in the Facebook group, you're missing out. That's at insiderealestate.com/Facebook group.